Coming up in this video, more Mr Black Espresso Martini fun. This one is much more dessert-fied. Welcome back, drinks fans. As just said, it's Wednesday. It's another Mr Black Espresso Martini. We're still rocking out Espresso Martinis at the moment. We will kind of divulge into other Mr Black cocktails, but I've just gone with the whole Espresso Martini kind of inspiration. This one, I wanted to have some fun with coconut, but we've kind of got like a cream liqueur going on in there as well, to give it like a little vanilla kind of, sort of a chocolate and vanilla kind of notes. This is all shades of magical. It's a little bit sweeter than a lot of the Espresso Martinis in there. As you'll see, I did have saline solution on standby, just in case I needed to dial it back down. But I don't think that needs it, purely because of the ingredients I've used is not that sweet. If you're gonna substitute, and you'll see the ingredients in a minute, if you're gonna substitute for anything else, especially that for Kahlua, especially the coconut rum I've used. If you're going to use a sweeter coconut rum, you might need a little bit of saline solution just to dial it back down. But as the ingredients I've used, this is proper banging. Cheers. Right, let's run you through the ingredients for this one. Obviously, I've got Mr Black. As I always say, I'm going to stop repeating this soon. You can use Kahlua, of course you can. Kahlua is just a lot sweeter than Mr Black. So if you do use Kahlua in my recipes, just adjust the sweetness levels of everything else, because it's a lot sweeter than Mr Black. Mr Black is just coffee, alcoholic coffee, that's all it is. I've got some coconut rum. It is proper rum. We've got Aluna this time. Aluna is much more subtle in coconut forwardness than Koko Kanu, which is kind of my favourite out of that lot up there. So I just wanted that. Again, I'd say it's proper. It's 37.5% in the UK. It's proper rum. It's really lovely. It's toasted coconut, just subtle. I've got Mozart's. We've kind of got a creamy liqueur going on here. Kind of white chocolate and vanilla liqueur. I've got some coconut syrup. I've got some espresso. And just stand on standby, because I haven't actually made this yet. I'll try it out. I've just got a little bit of saline solution. So cocktail shaker. Let's do this side first. Standard ratios for this. Going 30 ml, 1 ounce of Mr Black. Hold the label there. There we go. 30 ml, 1 ounce of Mr B. Put him back to one side. We've got the Aluna, the coconut rum. I say it's really nice. I just love big, bold, in your face, but I wanted this to be subtle undertones, so that's why I've gone for Aluna. So 30 ml of Aluna coconut rum in there. I'm going for 15 ml, 1.5 of Mozart. I was going to say Mr Black there. Mozart white chocolate and vanilla liqueur, 15 ml. Think of it as putting cream in your coffee. There we go. Because you would do, a lot of you. There we go. I'm going for some espresso, some coconut syrup. Again, this will be up to you, because they are very kind of boost forward as well. I'm actually going for 15 ml here of the coconut. You could dial that back down, by all means, 15 ml. I say, if you do that with Kahlua, it's just going to be way too sweet for most people. Way too sweet. And then the final ingredient is 30 ml, 1 ounce of espresso there. Now, just going to leave that, because what I just very quickly want to do, that's that over there, is just give that a little stir. No, that's all right. That's not, I don't need the saline solution. That's not that sweet. That's booze forward. We like that. So, chilling down, good half-fast shake, 10 to 12 seconds. Right, when that's all nicely shaken down, similar glass to last week's, I'm going for a tiki. This is a tiki Mai Tai glass, I think. And I'm just going to kind of double strain that into there. There we go. Put that out there. Lovely, jubbly. Get that all out. Perfect. And then just to garnish, I've just got a little bit of white chocolate shavings. If we can see that in the close-up. White chocolate shavings. Can we get a little pinch? I'm just going to sprinkle that. Oh, they nicely float on top. A little bit of white chocolate on top. Yeah, lovely. Right, popping up on screen right there, right beside me will be even more Mr. Black recipes for you to dive into. As always, if you like the recipe, big old thumbs up. And if you don't want to miss any of my future content, make sure you subscribe to the channel.